So, hello everyone, this is just a short bit. On my way back from the ravine, I actually couldn't make it all the way to the camp offices due to the fact that the Mystery Lake area was very much covered by a heavy fog, so I couldn't find my way. And I was also very tired. So actually I had to sleep through the night in the camp office. And now, as you can see, I do have to press on. I do need to get back to the camp office. Well, as you can see, it is now currently day, so it is quite light. But as you can see, and possibly hear, there is something of a snowstorm raging. Luckily, as I predicted, I am able to follow the river nicely back to the lake area. Also, as I was coming back from the ravine, I did find a way to cross the area with the fallen rocks and the destroyed train cars, so we can actually explore a bit further. But for that I am going to first move everything to the dam and maybe just launch a couple of smaller expeditions, or I might just take enough stuff to establish a new base of operations in a new area. Because all signs point to that area leading to, well, all signs point to the ravine being similar to the winding river area and the cave area, in that it will lead to a new area. And I know Mystery Lake is connected to two other areas: Pleasant Valley, which we already discovered, and the coastal highway. So unless that's some sort of a weird, cruel joke, the ravine will lead to the coastal highway. So I'm going to head there first and just try to build up a good amount of resources, just basically ensure the survival. I've done quite well so far, so a lot of there will be quite a lot of stuff to carry over, so it will be well, definitely will be quite a few shorter trips. I can't carry everything. I can carry a lot of things, but then I can't run. So at least on the move over to the dam, I'm going to make a couple of short, well, couple of like smaller trips, like bringing in the shopping. So I'm just going to go back and forth a few times. I'm not going to show you that, that's going to be boring. But as soon as I'm done with that, I am going to be heading out to the ravine and just searching that area properly. And of course pushing forward. So for that trip I might actually take a larger amount of resources, stuff like firewood. Firewood definitely is going to be one of the things that I am going to take with me in the move. If for no other reason than just to, well, ensure that the firewood doesn't go to waste, and to make sure that I can actually survive Okay, so I've made it safely back to the camp office, so this is going to be it for today. So, yeah. Thank you for joining me for this short while, and possibly tomorrow, we shall get the move underway. It's going to be our larger thing it's going to be quite a large undertaking, so it might postpone a new video. Hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see. So I will catch you next time. Thank you for joining me.